Most people are trying way too hard to lose belly fat. Cutting carbs. Starving themselves. Doing endless crunches. But what if I told you? You only need 5 specific foods to start seeing real results. Foods that work with your metabolism. That keep you full, boost fat loss hormones, and target stubborn belly fat. In this video, I'm going to break down the only 5 foods you actually need to lose belly fat fast. We're not talking fads. We're talking simple, powerful, science-backed choices that help you strip away belly fat without starving. Let's get right into it. Food number 1. Eggs. This is your fat loss breakfast superhero. Eggs are high in protein, packed with nutrients, and have almost zero carbs. When you start your day with eggs, you trigger a powerful metabolic effect. Your body starts releasing glucagon, a hormone that helps your body unlock stored fat. Not only that, eggs are extremely satiating. One study from the International Journal of Obesity found that people who ate eggs for breakfast ate over 400 fewer calories throughout the day. That's the power of protein and fat. It keeps hunger low, while your body taps into fat reserves. How to eat them? Boiled, scrambled in olive oil, omelette with spinach. Just skip the toast and juice. Eggs are simple, fast, and metabolic. Start your day with 3 to 4 whole eggs, and belly fat starts going down. Food number 2. Greek yogurt unsweetened. This one's a hidden weapon, especially if you crave something creamy or sweet. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics. Protein keeps you full, and probiotics improve gut health, which is directly linked to belly fat. Here's why that matters. Studies show that people with poor gut bacteria tend to store more visceral fat, the dangerous kind that wraps around your organs. But when you improve gut health, you reduce inflammation and boost digestion. That equals better fat burning. Now, most yogurts are sugar bombs. So look for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt with at least 15 grams of protein per serving. How to eat it? Add a few blueberries, maybe some chia seeds. Stay away from granola or honey. Keep it simple and clean. Greek yogurt gives you gut health, protein, and serious satiety. Food number 3. Salmon or fatty fish. This food is like fat-burning medicine. Why? Because it's high in omega-3 fatty acids. And omega-3s have been proven to lower cortisol. Cortisol is your stress hormone. And when it's too high, your body stores more belly fat. So if your life is stressful, if you're not sleeping enough, or if you struggle with stubborn fat even when you eat well, you need omega-3s. Salmon also provides a clean source of protein. It helps you recover after workouts. And it's incredibly filling. How to eat it? Grill it, bake it, pair it with leafy greens or steamed broccoli. 2 to 3 servings per week is enough to shift your metabolism. And if you don't like fish, you can take a high-quality omega-3 supplement. But whole food is always better. Food number 4. Avocados. Here's a fat that helps you burn fat. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats. These fats improve insulin sensitivity. That means your body handles carbs better. Instead of storing glucose as fat, it gets burned for energy. Avocados are also loaded with fiber. And fiber does 2 things. Slows down digestion, reduces appetite. That's why people who eat more fiber consistently lose more belly fat. In fact, one study in the journal Obesity found that for every 10 grams of soluble fiber added per day, belly fat decreased by 3.7% over 5 years, without any change in diet or exercise. How to eat it? Half an avocado with eggs. Mashed on top of a salad. Blended into a smoothie. Just don't go crazy. 1/2 to 1 avocado per day is plenty. This is one of the cleanest fat sources you can eat. Food number 5. Leafy greens. This is your volume food. Spinach, kale, arugula, romaine. These are your go-to belly fat destroyers. Why? Because they fill you up without filling you out. Leafy greens are ultra-low calorie but loaded with nutrients. They're high in fiber, high in water, and they take up space in your stomach, which means you feel full without overeating. They also help alkalize your body, which reduces inflammation, which again, helps with belly fat loss. When your body is inflamed, it holds onto fat like survival fuel. When inflammation goes down, your hormones balance out, and your body lets go of stored fat. How to eat them? Massive salads. Sautéed with garlic and olive oil. Blended into protein shakes. You can eat greens every day, with every meal. There's no limit. They make fat loss easier by reducing hunger without reducing nutrients. Bonus tips. How to use these 5 foods for maximum fat loss. Let me give you a quick daily outline. Use these 5 foods to structure your meals and simplify fat loss. Breakfast. 3 eggs plus half an avocado. Black coffee or water. Lunch. Grilled salmon over a huge bed of leafy greens. Olive oil dressing. Snack. Plain Greek yogurt plus a few berries plus chia seeds. Dinner. Chicken or lean protein plus sautéed spinach. Or another round of salmon and greens. It's not about eating perfectly. It's about consistency. And when these foods dominate your plate, belly fat starts to melt. They control hunger, stabilize blood sugar, lower stress hormones, improve digestion, and keep your metabolism active. This isn't magic. This is science. Why these 5 foods work better than any fat burner. You don't need detox teas. You don't need miracle pills. You don't need to starve yourself. What you need is consistency with real, fat-burning foods. Foods that work for your hormones, not against them. That's why these 5 foods are enough. Because when you build your diet around eggs, yogurt, salmon, avocado, and leafy greens, you naturally eat fewer calories. You burn more fat, and you feel better doing it. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button so more people can see it. Drop a comment below with your favorite fat loss food. Let's build a list. And subscribe for more science-based nutrition and workout tips every single week.